We've undertaken renovation of the house and garden over the last 5 years, and solar energy has really been the final piece in this jigsaw for us. A few years ago, as there's a dramatic hike in electricity prices, there's an economic case, as far as I was concerned, to putting in a solar system. The other reason was an environmental one, really. We live in a property with a huge south-facing roof, and it seemed almost wrong to me not to install solar and take the benefit. As far as I was concerned, it was install the solar panels and you'll get the electricity from them, and it hadn't really occurred to me to put a battery in. But then when I saw the EcoFlow battery, I was absolutely delighted, because these were slim, they had a very strong positive aesthetic appeal, and they absolutely fitted the space that we had in the garage. By having the data on the EcoFlow app, we were able to get a good feel for what our energy usage was and how that was going to measure against the panels and the batteries. So we scaled up quite quickly from 20 kilowatts to 30 kilowatts. And we've integrated with the Octopus Intelligent Go, and that's now working as well. So we're able to download energy at night if we can see that it's a cloudy day and we're going to need a little bit more. Data is absolutely key for that process, and so that's a real attraction of the EcoFlow app and the way that the data is presented within it. We feel that we are relatively early adopters in that process. We'll see even more of this, I feel sure about that.